How to upgrade Gran Turismo 7 from PS4 to PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to upgrade Gran Turismo 7 from the PlayStation 4 version to the PS5 version, whether you have the disc or the digital edition. It's quick, easy, and I'm going to guide you step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. If you have the PS4 disc version. First, make sure you're using a PlayStation 5 with a disc drive. Insert your Gran Turismo 7 PS4 disc into the PS5 console. On the screen, you'll see an option to upgrade to the PS5 version. Select it, confirm the purchase, and start downloading the PS5 version. Important: keep the PS4 disc in the console whenever you want to play. Part 2. If you own the PS4 digital version, on your PS5, go to your game library or open the PlayStation Store. Search for Gran Turismo 7. If your account owns the digital PS4 version, you will see an upgrade offered for PS5. Buy the upgrade and download the PS5 version. That's it. Part 3. Notes and compatibility. If you have a PS5 digital edition, you cannot upgrade from a disc version, since there's no disc drive. This upgrade is not free. The $10 fee applies in all cases. Make sure you logged into the same account that bought the game. After upgrading, your saved data should carry over automatically if you're using the same PSN account. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to upgrade Gran Turismo 7 from PS4 to PS5 in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.